Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of Nano Banana, also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And this is from Google, and it's an AI image generator model. It's really wonderful, and I'm going to show you how you can make amazing images with it in Google AI Studio. And here it says Nano Banana. And I'm going to show a few prompts and give you a quick overview of it. Okay, so this page, I'm going to show you some of the prompts from here, and I'm going to edit some of them to show you some beautiful output. You can just look up awesome-nano-banana, and this has a bunch of prompts. It's really quite useful. And yeah, so the first thing you're going to do is go to aistudio.google.com, and you can check out this page as well. And what I'm going to first do is I'm going to show you this. Basically, it's converting a New Zealand map into a treasure map, which I think is really cool. But only I'm going to change it into a map of Ireland and make this a treasure map. So I want to see how that is. And this is the prompt. I copied the prompt here, transform the image to an ancient treasure map drawn on aged parchment. And I think that's pretty wonderful. So again, we're going to go to aistudio.google.com and then click on Nano Banana. And it says selected Nano Banana. And then what you're going to do is click on this and you're going to add a file. I'm going to add the Ireland image. And here you have the option to upload file, upload image. I'm going to do upload image. Okay, so the image of Ireland is there, and then I'm going to type in the prompt, transform the image to an ancient treasure map. And then here you can click on this or press on Control Enter. So let's run this. And I'm quite excited to see how this is going to look. I'd love to see an Ireland treasure map. That would be quite cool. And I'd love to see if it actually knows that it's Ireland. Like if it has background knowledge about Ireland. Oh, wow. This is quite wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to enable Google Drive. You can save that. Okay, so you could have chosen to save it, or to allow Google Drive to save it. It doesn't really matter. But let's click on here. Oh, wow, this is so wonderful. So it knows about Dublin and Waterford. I mean, that was already on the map, but I think that's pretty wonderful. Okay, so Ireland doesn't have palm trees, at least naturally, but I still think this is really cool. And it has, I think these are castles. These look like ships. I don't know if those are pirate ships. But this does look very cool in my opinion. Yeah, it's got a castle, so it knows about the castles, at least some of the castles, sorry. And yeah, I think this is really wonderful. So yeah, aside from the palm trees, this is so wonderful. I love it. And you can download it. I'm going to show you what a downloaded version looks like. Okay, so I called it Ireland Treasure Map, and this is what it looks like. So this is the image that I saved, and I think it's really wonderful. And again, look, there's a treasure map. Look, there's treasure, Captain Blackheart's Island, Isle of Fortune. And yeah, it's really wonderful. And let's compare it again with this one. See, look, it looks, it looks perfect in terms of the shape of Ireland. And yeah, I think it's absolutely wonderful. And this almost looks like a Lord of the Rings style. So I also like that as well. And now I want to try another prompt. I'm going to show you one of the prompts from here. Let's go to Shanghai. Okay, so if you ever go to Shanghai, it's a really wonderful city in my opinion. And this has an interesting, basically, it'll help you generate this this wonderful image. And this is an image of, yeah, these are the Chinese characters that say Shanghai. And it's cloudy basically, and this is the Pearl Tower. I think that's a wonderful image. Now what I want to do is, what I did is I edited the prompt, and instead of saying the Pearl Tower and the Bund is a famous place in Shanghai. It's like a foreigner place. Uh, what I did was I changed it to Singapore. So I used to live in Singapore. I love Singapore very much. I changed it so instead of Pearl Tower and the Bund, I said Merlion Park, Super Tree Grove, and Marina Bay Sands. And I'm going to run this prompt here. So this is basically a modified version of that. And let's click on here. So I said Singapore sunny, 33 degrees Celsius. And it's a 3D model, and I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like. And again, I'm just modifying the prompt from here, but I'm really hopeful to see what it will look like. And yeah, so it's taken more than 20 seconds, but honestly, for a human to make this, it probably would take many hours, and this does it in just a few seconds. It's absolutely wonderful in my opinion. And again, to remember, it turned this into this, and to me, that's just mind-blowing. Okay. Oh my gosh. So it has background knowledge about Singapore. That's so wonderful. So it has about this park, and this is I forgot the name of this Ferris wheel, but it's a famous Ferris wheel. It's really nice to go on. And this is the Marina Bay Sands. This is a casino and resort. And yeah, this is absolutely wonderful. Honestly, I maybe my Singapore friends will like this. I think this is so cool. Um, yeah, I think this is absolutely wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to download this. And one thing I forgot to mention is that Merlion Park, yeah, maybe it's on here. I can't tell. I wanted to see the Merlion statue, but that's okay. I mean, I guess from this height, it'd be really hard to see the statue. Um, but anyway, this is iconic. So this is a big casino and resort, and this is a park. So that to me is really amazing. And then I want to do one more prompt. I want to replicate a unicorn. So we'll go to this one here. Let's go to 88. Okay, so this is a children's coloring book page, and I actually have made a coloring book before. I didn't use AI, but I think these are amazing images. I had a human artist make it, not me, but for my book. But this one, honestly, it looks so wonderful, and I want to see if I can replicate it. So I'm just going to copy this prompt, and I want to see what the unicorn image looks like. So this is generating a quickly read it for you, black and white line drawing, coloring illustration, 8.5 by 11 inch. So that means this is US letter. A4 is a little different. This is US letter, and pure white background for easy coloring. And it you can change the age. This says 6 to 9 years old children. And the unicorn is walking on the grass in the forest with bright sunshine, blue sky, and white clouds. And you could actually change the prompt here, but I'll go with the same prompt. And let's see here. So this looks really wonderful. This took 30 seconds to make, but I really do think this is so wonderful. And yeah, look at this is black and white, and then it has color here. I think that's absolutely wonderful. Okay, and this is a downloaded version of it. So, Google's Nano Banana to me is absolutely wonderful. And again, the official name of it, I believe, is let's see here, Gemini 2.5-flash-image, but it's called Nano Banana. And you can find Nano Banana at aistudio.google.com, and then click on Nano Banana, and then you can use the prompts to make an image. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe or follow this channel if you like this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.